I know. Well, I was posting some shorts and some like typical like videos, but I was not regular on YouTube. Still, I don't know if I will or not. But in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a pantry haul. This was highly requested video on my YouTube channel, and also one like you have shown lots of love on my pantry haul video, so that is why I couldn't resist myself and I have to bring a new video, a new part of pantry haul. So yeah, now let's get started. But disclaimer, this is for at least 2 months, or because this time we have a lot of junk, especially junks and biscuits, because like more like atta and stuff was in our house and we were not needing it, so that is why. And yeah, okay, so let's get started. Please ignore the background noise because it's so hot and I'm literally sweating. If you can't see, I'm literally sweating. That is why I'm on the AC and I know that background noise must be coming, so I'm really sorry for that. So now let's get started with the pantry haul. May I show you the quick pic of this? Let me. Can you see that? It's a huge, you guys. Let's dig in one by one to each because I just want to show you every single thing. We have twice size packs of one particular thing as well, so I'm gonna ignore that. So we have 3 packets of Monaco biscuits. I'll give it a shoulder shot. It's Monaco biscuit. It's this big pack and it has, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the MRP is only 30 rupees, and this is my favorite biscuits to snack on at midnight and snacks and all this stuff. So this is my favorite, and I have huge 3 packets of it. For in total it costed me 30, which is 90 rupees. Okay, now we're gonna go with a Bitrina cake. I'm actually checking that there's more packets or not, but this is Global's cake. And I don't know, I guess it's majorly for rupees 20 or 30. Yeah, it's for rupees 30. That means I got it for 60 rupees. And this all stuff is bought from a local street market, like in Gurugram I stay, so I bought it from Sadar Bazaar. Not me, actually my father, because I can't carry these much stuff. So yeah, this is 2 packets of Britannia cake in chocolate flavor. I hate fruit cakes. I don't know, I just hate them. Then we have some peanuts packet. This is my all-time favorite peanut, you guys. This is Gup Shup. It's so tasty, it's so chatpada, and we have 2 of these. The MRP of this is 50 rupees, that means 100 rupees both. And next we have some oats picker, like instant oat packets. Actually, I know that these are not the healthiest, but it's not the non-healthiest as well. It's not counted in junk as well, but it's not the healthiest for sure. If you are on diet, I do not recommend these because these are ready-made. They have Maggi masala and all, which is, I don't know, I can taste it. I have eaten this many times, number of times, and I can say that it has Maggi masala tint in it, but it's very tasty. If you want to just have some light breakfast or something, you can invest in this. So it's only for 15, so it's 15, 30. Okay, now we have some more packets actually we have 3 packets of oats. Okay, I was also not knowing this, which is a surprise for me as well. Okay, we tried a new packet of peanuts as well. I have never tried it, so I can never give the review without knowing and tasting it. You can see it's like still packed, and it contains egg. So like no item in this vlog, I guess, in pantry haul does not contains egg, according to me, because we are vegetarians. So it's classic roasted crushed peanuts, and it looks so like different shape if you see on the packaging, and it looks very tempting, and the packaging calls you to eat, so that's a good point. And I guess this is also for rupees 52, with 2 rupees extra. So what? I guess the color, because the color is very vibrant. So it's 50 rupees, 52 rupees, and we got 1 pack only because it's the first try. But first try, we should not invest in things we never tried. So yeah. Next we have my all-time biscuits, which is my all-time favorite biscuit, which is hide and seek. I just believe me when I say this is my favorite, and the chocolates, not the chocolates, like the person who doesn't like that much chocolate but they like chocolate can definitely try this out, and this is my favorite. I don't know why, but like it's the current obsession of biscuits. Okay, now if we are talking about biscuits only, by the way, the range of it I'll tell once again. Actually, last time also I was struggling to find its rate. I don't know where it's written. Okay, it's also for 30 rupees. We bought 3 packets, which is 90 rupees again. Okay, then we got a full pack of Oreos. Like I have to make a like this is also for one of my videos because I have to make trying out Oreo life hacks. A spoiler alert is there. So I have to make that as well. So it's like Oreo in the chocolate flavor. I'm not a big fan of vanilla flavor. That is why I bought this chocolate flavor. I don't know what this is. 12 packs. Triple 5.6 gram. And I don't know it's MRP. So you guys, you can see the MRP on Amazon. I'll link it if I got it. So I will just ignore because I'm not getting its price. Now we are last top 3 things, which is first Kaju Mixture Namkeen. This is also very nice. It's very, chutpata and very nice, and I do appreciate eating it. Then we have my favorite Munchni. Actually, many of people say like in my last video, like in one of my vlog, if I know which vlog it is, I'll just insert or click it to the I button. So in that, I was just telling that I love Munchni. So the people were saying that do you eat strawberry or chocolate? So that is the first time I discovered that oh my god, we have Munchni in strawberry flavor as well. Well, I'm not a big huge fan of anything else of chocolate. So I always prefer eating chocolate in everything, and just trust me on that because I'll stick to my words until the end because I love chocolate. So this is Parle-G Gold. It's a huge pack. I can make dumbbells from it, and then you'll see my Dole Shole. Okay guys, so the last thing, actually I also bought 2 thumbs up bottles which I don't really have right now because it's chilling in the fridge, so I have to go there and I'm so lazy for that. I'll just insert the picture over here. Like it's normal 50 rupees thumbs up. So yeah, now next thing, last thing of this video, which is not the last and not the least. So this is Dairy Milk Champions pack. This is a new Dairy Milk which launched, and it is also for ₹100. But if you are a silk person, this is very thin comparatively to a silk, but the range is the same. So I guess you should go for a silk. But the taste is the same, obviously. I have eaten it a little bit, but still I'm gonna show you guys like what's the main motive of this. Can you see here over here? It has some. अभी like over here the बर्फ जम गई है, पर यहाँ पे अभी like it's a wicket. Ball, and what is this? 2 wickets and a ball, like a ball crashing 2 wickets. So it's very tasty, and yeah, this is a normal chocolate which is having this is like a new series launched by Dairy Milk. So guys, today's video, if you like to subscribe, hit the bell icon, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 100. Thanks for watching. New vlogs coming soon. Bye.